Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add transition in CapCut. Let's begin. Adding transitions in CapCut is a great way to make your video flow more smoothly, add style, and create visual interest between scenes or clips. Because transitions can help connect different parts of your video or simply give it a more polished look. So, once you open the CapCut app, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you don't have, just click the new project to begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific file. You would notice that there are like two clips that meet in between, and I wanted to create an animation or effect within the transition. You see that? So that's the second video. And all you have to do is go to the videos itself. You would notice that there is like a box where the two videos meet. All right, I want you to click on it, and then for both, for example, the first video, you can add an animation that could, like, for example, for the out, it's gonna be like say, let's just say, click a zoom out effect here and click the OK button. And then for the this next video, it's kind of like the I'm gonna zoom it in and click this section right here that says animations, and for the in is gonna be like swing top left. Let me click that. So let's see what we got from here. You would notice the transition, right? So once the video is almost done, you would notice that we have created a smooth transition. All right, that would help guide the viewer through your video spacing. Some transitions add cool effects that can match the mood of your video, like a fade for a dramatic moment or a slide for something fun and energetic. Because certain transitions can build anticipation or highlight a key moment in your video. So as you can see, if you play the video from the beginning right here, all right, I added a transition from the first video, right, like that, and then you see there's kind of like a dramatic effect. All right, a good transition can give your video a polished, well-edited feel, because for one, it's very cool. It highlights a key moment in your video. So once you are happy with the transition effect that you have added to your video clips here, click the export button. Save a copy for yourself, like a MP4, or you can share it to social media platforms. You can send this project to your client as well. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.